Hi guys, in this video you will see usage of order by keyword and is null operator. Order by keyword is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order. By default the data is sorted in ascending order. For this tutorial, we will use our members table in LMS database. So, we will sort members table by names. The command will be select asterisk from members order by the column name which we want to sort. Here it will be name. So as you can see, the table is displayed with the name column in alphabetical order, that is in ascending order. And other records are also displayed according to the name column. If we write select asterisk from members order by name ASC, this will give the same results as previous command. Next, we will sort members table in the descending order, by the column member ID. So the command will be, select asterisk from members order by member ID desk. As you can see, this command sorts the member IDs in descending order. According to member IDs order, other data in the table will be arranged. We can also use order by on multiple columns in one command. For example, select asterisk from members order by city ASC separate by comma name desk. This command will order city in ascending order. If the same city exists for multiple records, then it will sort name column in descending order for those records only. So this is how multiple column sorting works. Now, we will see, is null operator. Keep in mind that a field with no value means it is null. So in the tables we can have records with null values. It is difficult to perform operations on null values. So we can use, is null and is not null operators to see if the field contains any value or not. The first command will be select asterisk from members where name is null. This command will display the records which contains name as null values. In our table, we don't have such records, that is why it returned empty set. Now, we will use, is not null keyword. So the command will be select asterisk from members where name is not null. This command should return all the records. It searches for the fields in the name column with a value. If it finds such records, those records will be displayed. So, this is how we can tell if the field contains any value or not. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.